After cooking and frying, veggie, roll or lumpia in the Tagalog language. And you could put fillings in veggies or pork or chicken or beef or just vegetables. And you could have dipping sauce of ketchup and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipe is written by her daughter speaking to you about the video, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books, just 22 including Mom and Chef, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmsed.com, juanitagutierrez.com. And my beloved mom's cookbook, along with my other 22 books, some of them are here, are available as well in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. Ebook means you could upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books in your computer quickly. And so, let's enjoy. Fried to perfection, veggie lumpia. You're gonna love this as I do. And you have dipping sauce of ketchup or any dipping sauce you'd like. In the previous video when I cooked lumpia, my favorite is, one of my favorite dipping sauce is garlic with apple cider vinegar. But today we're going to have ketchup. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. But first, we're going to bless our food. Isn't it important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence. Accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmit it into thy violet golden flame of divine love. And see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought, forever self-sustained. And so it is done. Beloved, I am. And so it is. Come on and eat. Let's dig in. And it's a little bit hot, so I'm inviting you to have a 10% discount if you would like to order seafood, steaks, and more online using my name, Juanita, at www.allfreshseafood.com. Or you could call over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1-833-GOT-CRAB, and enjoy the 10% discount using my name, Juanita. And my beloved parents used to own a yacht or huge fishing boat named after Saint Anthony, because Saint Anthony saved them when they were newlyweds. Thank you, Saint Anthony. And I wrote The Miracles of Saint Anthony in my other book I entitled Missing People, Animals, Things Go to Anthony, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Also available at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you worldwide, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmsed.com, and the other one is juanitagutierrez.com. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. That's my beautiful beloved mom. In our kitchen, when we were growing up, my beloved dad was a United States of America airport stenographer typist for so many years. You will find some American foods there that my beloved dad always bring to us. Then my dad retired. He was twice time elected leader, and he signed a public school budget. Without the signature of my beloved father, no one can get paid. And this school was founded by my beloved mom, right here in front of the front book cover that you're seeing, along with other government officials. My beloved mom was the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown, and a top-notcher as well as my dad. Proposed and famed the only public high school where I, their daughter, yes, that's me, Miss Gutierrez, speaking to you over the video. First up is a new graduate school teacher and was unanimously elected the English Teacher Association president, outstanding teacher, journalism teacher, and school people advisor. And then I moved to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the University of the East, where I and my beloved brothers and sisters as well studied from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation, and all the way here in New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years, teacher trainer at the Teachers Institute annually, if I could say, humility aside, and more. In my 22 books, one of them is Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. That's my beloved mom, the only girl in her family, and former beauty queen as well, and more in this my mom's cookbook. And let's come and eat. I know you are already hungry. Are you hungry yet? Let's have a dive in. Let's taste for you and me and all of us. Yum. And I'm going to dip in our dipping sauce. For you and me and all of us. Yum. You're gonna love this as I do. Oh my goodness, excuse me please. My beloved mom and dad and my grandparents always tell us to be silent and mouth closed when we eat. Isn't that a good trait? Kain na po tayo. That's a Tagalog word that means come on and eat. Napakasarap. That's a Tagalog word that means super flavorful, super delicious. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Enjoy. Veggie lumpia, or you could have the fillings of chicken as well. Happy cooking. Yum. Enjoy.